In fact, even in the little bit of him that we see in Ozma, he's still more interesting than the other two. The lion seems to be the only companion from the original story who wasn't completely bamboozled by the wizard. The Scarecrow and the Tin Man are constantly bragging about their brains and heart, but the very first thing that the lion says to Dorothy is that he's as cowardly as ever because he's still afraid of things. Which tells us that not only did the wizard's potion eventually wear off, but he never learned the lesson about true courage. And moreover, he knows it. He knows that what he's evincing isn't courage, but bravado. And not only will the Scarecrow and the Tin Man not shut up about their gifts from the wizard, but they are evincing the worst possible results of them. The Scarecrow has become arrogant in his intelligence, and the Tin Man has become vain, getting nickel plating and caring very deeply about its care and maintenance. Actually, now that you mention it, there is one other villain in both versions of the story that we've neglected to mention. The Wizard. We don't actually see him in either version, but we see the consequences of what he's done. He deposed the king, possibly having him killed, and had the rightful heir to the throne hidden away so that he could have power over Oz. He was even more corrupt and more criminal than we realized in the first story, and yet nobody really acknowledges it. He's still regarded as wonderful, the best thing to ever happen to Oz. The only person who really raises any question as to his character is the Wogglebug, and he's immediately shouted down and made to feel a fool. Not even the narrator really acknowledges how corrupt he is. Add the movie plot of him potentially stealing the emeralds for the Emerald City, and why is nobody treating this bastard like the criminal he is?